Dreaming of the Maldives, but worried about your budget? Here's how you can experience paradise without breaking the bank. First, skip the expensive resorts. Opt for a guest house on a local island like Mafushi. You'll still get the stunning beaches and crystal clear waters at a fraction of the price. Want to eat like a local? Head to local cafes for dishes like mas huni, a traditional Maldivian breakfast. It's fresh, tasty, and super affordable. Activities? No need to splurge on pricey tours. Many guest houses offer free snorkeling gear, and you can explore vibrant coral reefs right off the shore. And of course, the best things in the Maldives are free. Relax on the beach, catch the sunset, and soak in the natural beauty. Luxury isn't about money, it's about experiences. So pack your bags and let the Maldives surprise you.